Babe, where are we going?
Target.
No.
Oh.
I mean, like, Target's exciting. And I really like Target. But, Pax, where are we going?
Target.
Oh, man. I mean, can we take 3? Reggie, where are you at?
We're going to Chicago tonight so that tomorrow we can go to Hawaii.
Man, were you ever gonna get to the punchline, fam? Holy cow.
You need to be more specific.
Wow. Where is our destination?
Hawaii. Honolulu. Let's go.
So this is a first. Wearing sunglasses in an airport. Hi. Happy New Year. I mean, can we all agree that you just exhale on 2021? Just exhale, let it go, and just breathe. Here we are, a new year, 2022. And yes, I was doing new things in the new year. Never been to Hawaii, friends and family. We were there for a week. Probably not enough time. I need 2 weeks on the island. We were in Honolulu.
Pineapple, fresh.
Go plantation.
As you can see, it was an absolute blast.
So good. Dole Whip.
What is that?
Amazing.
Pineapple though is really good.
Is it almost like more of a frozen yogurt?
Yeah.
Every time we drive through here on the North Shore, there are a lot of cars parked and there are a lot of people on the beach. I think we have been here before and we have seen sea turtles beaching to lay eggs. So I don't know, we're gonna go down here and we're gonna see what's going on.
So we drove all the way up there, like right there, Diamond Head, all the way down here. Across the entire island. Now we're having lunch. Yummy.
We're at the Polynesian Culture Center and we're going in just to shop. We're not going in for the culture. We want the merchandise.
We're following Cleo.
All right.
There we go.
We're swimming in the ocean in Hawaii.
Here we go, babe.
Babe's hyperventilating because it's 89 degrees out here. Good job. Good job, baby. Come here. Ooh. What we got coming in here is a catamaran called the Manu Kai. This is one of Waikiki's finest catamarans where you go out, sail the deep blue seas in the Pacific Ocean, and absolutely have a beautiful time in the sun. It's about a 50-foot yacht. It's powered by 2 catamaran powerful power plants, and if you get stuck and you need some wind action, it will sail too.
The weather sucked. I mean, my God, it sucked for most of the time. There was like 2 good days, and you saw them on video. There was 2 good days, and we started the trip with those good days, and then it was raining. And then raining. And then raining some more.
Literally hilarious.
And then raining a little bit more. Oh, wow. As a matter of fact, I don't know the stats, but basically it rained 3/4 of the amount that it would rain in an entire year in just 1 week. And we were there for the record rainfall.
On the far side of the island, torpedo bombers attacked the Utah. On this side, they repeatedly struck Battleship Row. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Culture! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
2022. Goodbye, 21.
We had a blast. Went to Diamond Head, went hiking. We had some spectacular food to eat.
What are you doing, Rex?
Well, I'm using my scissors that was supplied by the manager to cut up my meat here. Because I couldn't eat a whole steak.
Barbecue. Things are a little mixed up.
Saw a rainbow.
A bit of a bummer day here. We gotta go home. Avery had fun though, didn't you?
Yeah.
In your Hawaiian vacation? We had fun with Paxton and Vahid and Heather. And of course, Christy, our good buddy, was here. But there always is a time to go home.
I felt like they should go back into nature, so we're throwing them in the lake.
And we're also kind of doing it symbolically for an offering to just all the people that are thinking about Avery and praying for Avery to recover and be happy and healthy for the rest of her life.
And in this year of new beginnings, new experiences, let's dive into something new in media. And so, while I'm not here to share the name and the date of when we'll be presenting this said form of medium, I can tell you that it's a new beginning. Can't wait to share it with you. I can't wait to experience it all with you. Can't wait to tell the story of you. Until next time.